Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is the beginning of August, which means it's project panel time. Let's get into it. If you don't recognize this bin, this is one of our work in progress bins. We did a whole video on getting them all ready and these bins need to be worked on. The goal is at the end of August to have this bin be empty because all the projects are completed. We have 11 project panels, but only 7 slots for videos because the first video is today's video, which is the overview and me showing all of the patterns that I can make for you guys. I really enjoyed last month doing the wine bags over the course of the month. Thank you so much for everyone who watched every part of that. The last part of that video will post on Wednesday of this week. We'll be doing a live where I'll show off all of the patterns, the insides, the outsides, the handles, and they will be available for purchase online. So that will wrap up the end of the wine bag series. And then this month, every video will be about project panels. So we have more project panels than we have video slots. So I need to know in the comment section down below what your favorite ones are, which ones you want to see first, and if you want to see them in a certain manner. There are 3 that are appliques, and I don't know exactly what I want to do with them. They could be put on a pillow, on a tote, on a shirt, on a bag. I don't know, many things could be done with them. If you're interested in purchasing the done product, let me know. And if you want it made in a certain way, let me know and I can make it in that manner and then you can purchase it. So let's go ahead and start showing off the project panels. All right, like I said, there are 11. So this one's pretty cool. This actually makes 12 because this guy we have 2 of. So this one is coyotes and cactus. I don't know if that's upside down for you guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, that is right side up. I'm gonna have to back up and stand up for a second. Ooh. Okay, so this is the project panel. The done product is this guy right here, and I can make 2 of them. 1, 2. So if you're interested in this one, and that would be a great present for Christmas or something, let me know. Any of these project panels, the done product will be available for purchase. If you want it made in a certain manner, let me know. Okay, the next one is the 3 wise men. Get this guy unrolled. So the last project panel and this one as well are kind of what's the word? Not dolls, but they're little figures. So the 2 pieces will be sewn together and will be stuffed. So that's another thing. If you want me to put a sandbag in it or something so that then it could be a door stopper, that's another option too. But if you want it made in that manner, I need to know so that I can do that as I'm making them. But these could just be little decor items, seasonal decor items, or they could be a door stopper, something like that. Okay, so this is one of the applique panels. So this one is the cowboy applique panel. So you can see in the examples that there's a jean jacket and then a t-shirt. So if you were interested in the done product of this one and you wanted it on a bag, let me know and I could do that. And either I could buy the bag done, if you wanted a canvas bag, or if you want me to make the bag and put the applique on, that's an option too. We could even embroider your name on it. So many options. You can either just use the comment section down below. You can email me at sosustainable2022@gmail.com. I just would not recommend Instagram DMing me. I do not look at my messages on Instagram. I have my notifications shut off. This is another applique. The example in this one is a mom and daughter with their little matching sweaters. There's actually 3 appliques, so I could make 3 items. So again, let me know how you want to see these products. And even if you're not interested in purchasing, just say that in your comments. Say hey, I'm not interested in purchasing, but the appliques would look really cute on this. Because it will just give me a project idea. So I would appreciate that. We're definitely going to keep the appliques until the end because they have the most room for opportunity. Now this is the only one that the done product is not available for purchase. I am keeping this one for myself. This is the Riley Blake project panel. So it has this little design. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this piece right here in the top corner. So give me some ideas for that, please. And then there is the little zipper pouch, which I am so excited. I love little like pouches and purses. Like I have so many of them. And then there's some other little panels here at the bottom. Again, I don't know what to do with those little panels, so please give me some project ideas in the comment section down below. So like I said, this is the only one where the done product will not be available for purchase. Next up, we have Zelda Zebra. Once again, this is like a little doll. This is the done product right here. There's a lot of pieces on this one because not only are you making the little doll, but you're also making her little outfit. And what's really cool about these is they have not only all of the pieces you need, but all of the instructions. The majority of these I purchased at the thrift store. Most of them came within bags of other fabrics, so I didn't know I was getting them. Some of them I purchased individually at the thrift store, and then that one Riley Blake panel is the only one that I bought full price. This one is a country rooster. Once again, it's a little like doll, or I don't know, do you have a better word? I don't know what word I'm supposed to use, but it's like just a little decor guy, you know? And like I said, I could put like a little bag of rice or a little bag of beans or a little bag of sand, something to give it weight. And then you could use it as a little door stopper for inside. That way it doesn't have to just be decor. Here we've got Katarina Ballerina because it's a cat that's a ballerina. Once again, this is one where you make the little doll and then you make her clothes. So that will be a very cute one. Most of these are vintage too, back from the 1900s. Now we have the Holiday Gatherings apron. And then this one also has oven mitts. So adorable. I might want to selfishly keep this one too. I love granny core. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And look at those pockets. Okay. I might selfishly keep this one for myself, but if you really want it, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, here is our third applique. So the other two were the cowboy and the rocking horse, and then this is the last applique. So this is Stars and Stripes. So there's a lot of different ones. So again, give me some project ideas in the comment section down below, please. And if you're interested in purchasing the done item and you want it in a certain way, let me know that as well. And our last project panel is Jack Frost the Snowman. Once again, he's a little guy that you make him and then you put his clothes on him. And this one is actually meant to go on the door. Very cute. This is what he's going to look like all done. So those are all the project panels. Like I said, let me know for like the appliques that there's different ways that you can make it. Let me know what you'd like to see me do with it. And then if you're interested in purchasing the done item, please let me know. There are a couple additional pieces in here. These are just the instructions left over from the project panels we've already done. We already did this vest. That was a Thanksgiving vest. And then we already did, well, technically we didn't do this one. Hold on a second. No, we did this one. We did this vest too. So we did the Christmas vest. This one was half done. That's what it was. This one was half done. So we finished this one off, and then this one we did from scratch. So we did those two already. And then we also did this one too. This was the little ornaments. So these are 3 projects that we already did. And then we also did a book. So those are the 4 project panels that we did last year. And there's still a couple of little pieces, right? So again, if there's something that you'd like for me to do with these ones, let me know. And then I can make something. Here's the pieces that are left over on the fall one. 1 second. So there's like some little leaves and acorns and stuff. So anyways, that's everything I've got. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.